Good afternoon, my name is Valentina, and with my partner Harold Rodriguez, we will carry out this experiment. The experiment is driving pendulum. Objective. The objective of this experiment is determine what happened with the drag of a pendulum symbol and so demonstrate what this object the Newton laws.
In this experiment, we use paint, black canvas, a barrel cut in the middle, rope, and a support for the pendulum.
Procedure. First, the barrel must be filled with paint and to play this a correct ubication, in which don't get out the paint of his canvas. Two, you must put the barrel to a permanent height. Now, you drop the barrel in a corner of your canvas with a circle movement and see you how the barrel drags.
Results. In conclusion, if the pendulum is a relays in certain point, the pendulum never passing for this point. Also, if you use a determined force in the pendulum, the force that you use only diminishes. Additionally, when the pendulum stops, the force of the pendulum is zero. When the pendulum stops, the force of the pendulum is zero. Finally, the pendulum is a drawing pendulum when it draws in the canvas.